Today we will see how the Olive video editor, which is a simple and free video editor, can be downloaded into our system, computer or laptop, and how we can edit videos in it. We can edit videos that we create. We can also edit videos that are recorded during webinars so that we can get a compact video out of it. So we'll search Olive Video Editor in Google and click Olive Professional Open Source Video Editor. We'll come to this page and we go to the top and click Get Olive. And here we have Olive 01 unsupported. That is the one we are going to use. And if we are using a Windows system, I am using a Windows system, we click Windows and we go for install a 64-bit if your system is a 64-bit system. Very often your system will be a 64-bit. Yeah, and now the download will start and you know how to install a software in your system. So the installation is done and then we go for the Olive application itself, and now we'll look at how to do the editing. Okay, here is the Olive application. I have opened it on my laptop and look at the black space here. I will right click and I will click import, and I want now to select a video. The video I'm going to select is in the videos folder, which is let me select one video, LitCrit Web Talk. I'm going to edit this recording. This is an actual recording of a web talk. Let me repeat that. I clicked import. I chose the file that I want to work on. I click open. The file appears here in the black box here. I drag it gently down to the space down. Here you see the video file ready for editing. The upper part is the video part and the lower part is the audio part. So you can see the waves here. So when you click the points here or slowly move here, you can look at the video very minutely. And now you can start editing the video. So as you know, there may be many parts that we want to delete out. The introduction, the long space before we actually start the program, etc. So I am going to look at, okay, here I want this part, I want to begin at this part. So I move this mouse in such a way that I reach the point from where I want to start. So suppose this is the point where I want to start and I want to remove the part before that. So let me cut here. Okay, so see the tool I used, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth blade like tool on the left. It's called razor tool. I have taken it and I have cut here, and after that I go and take this arrow from the top, bring it here, right click and click ripple delete, and that part is gone. Now the video starts at exactly the point where I want it to start. So that's how we cut an initial part out. And now imagine there is a little part which I want to cut out altogether. Imagine there is a little part here in this video which is not very clear, or which is the voice was not recorded, or there was a pause in between due to some technical problem, and you want to cut out a part. We mark that part first like this, take the razor, cut here, and then bring the arrow back and go to the point until which you want the cut to be made. So I want to remove from here to here. So I go back, get the razor again and make a cut here. Take the arrow tool, right click, ripple delete. So that little chunk which I want to be edited out is now removed. So initially I cut out a part, in between also I cut out a part. It's very easy. And to make the cut very precise, if you press Ctrl and roll your mouse upwards, you can make the track bigger so that you will precisely be able to cut out a part. For example, here is a part which is normally the track can look very closely packed, but if you click Control and then roll your mouse upwards, you can enlarge it so that you can make very precise cuts like this. See, I'm going to cut this little pause here, right click, and I click ripple delete, it's gone. So I have cut out all those things, and imagine this is the final product, and I have completed the editing. Imagine I have completed the editing, and I click File here, and I click Export, and I click Export again, and I choose the video folder or whichever folder we normally want to store that video. I give a name to the video. I'm giving a test here, and then I click Save, and all you need to do is to wait until it is exported. So the original file will be retained and a new file will be created with the edits you have made. So this is the simplest way in which we can explain how to edit your video using the Olive software. Olive has many advanced features which you can experiment and find out, or look up for more detailed tutorials in the YouTube. That will be very helpful to you. So all the best with video editing. Thank you.